Oh, I'm sorry, that bass synth just entered my that thing entered my eye, bro. We have Benson, man. TRABOSKI with Benson. Benson Buju, bro. There's so much noise around this record, especially with the antics with Ruga. It's been crazy. Shout out to Taj. Taj has been making noise about this song being a crazy one. There was a snippet that was out that was moving as well. So I don't know, man. I'm curious what he's going to say for this one. TRABOSKI, Benson. He came up with a project this year. It looks like he has moved on from it. Which is quite sad. But it is what it is. December is coming. Fresh blood, fresh energy he wants to pump. Let's see if this one works, man. TRABOSKI, Benson, let's go. Oh, I'm sorry, that bass synth just entered my that thing entered my eye, bro. That's it, enter my eye. But yeah, you get what I mean. That bass synth, Willis is a madness. Come on, anything I say, cause I on cruise. Okay. I do ask you to, cause me I don't dare, me I feel good. Oh, it's solo run. Okay, let's build up. Young Willis. Alright, that's kind of a letdown. Low-key, I was expecting like the TRABOSKI run to be a build-up into something that maybe the producer now picks up like a whole moment where the beat just goes crazy and it becomes like a post-chorus. But this kind of needed a post-chorus. I don't know. It just feels like it needed something to come after the hook there. Like I think that would have been nice danceable moment and a danceable pocket for the song because it was building up moments. Because anyway, and we ended up getting just another verse right after that. I don't think that would have been great, but you should give room for Willis to do his madness right after the chorus because I think that would have been great. But so far, man, it is great so far. The hook is slapping. It's a very nice pocket that he found there. But let's hear the rest of it, man. One time for the babes, I put on the premium flex. Okay. I'm also at the flex. Now you, I really like text. I know they really like flex. No, yeah, we just want sex. Party don't go. Hey. Somewhere nobody know. I see they go. Me, I don't go. And I'm just messing with you. Cause TRABOSKI. Willis, get out. Listen, knowing Willis and his track record, Willis has been behind crazy amapiano records that I think it was Highway. Like, there have been so many moments and pockets that he generates that essentially build another momentum or another pocket for the song to actually drive and to air it out. This song doesn't need to be 2 minutes, 30 seconds. It doesn't need to be. It doesn't need to be that short. Because it has such a momentum, such a flow, such a ride that it could be stretched out a little bit more. Like, definitely, it didn't need to be this short. It didn't need to be this short. But anyway, listen, the melody on this one is absolutely, like, it's addicting, man. It's absolutely addicting. This was calm. And the steez that Benson comes with it, like, it just comes with this nice, calm ambience on this. It doesn't really push too much in order to get the record flowing, in order to get the record bumped. It just does a bare minimum in terms of delivery, and it's always enough. It always ends up being enough. This is a nice piano record. I don't think we've heard so much piano from him in a minute. I think the last one probably would have been Italy. But then again, it's in pure Bridget fashion to remain of a loungy atmosphere and not to necessarily be as aggressive or as chaotic as many amapiano songs tend to be sometimes, especially when you have a dance break. And this has a very, very good hook. It has a very good hook that can lead into a post-chorus where the producer just goes crazy. But I can respect the decision to not do that and keep the song 2 minutes 35. But knowing Willis, knowing what madness Willis can pull off on a record like this, it just feels like, yeah, it was probably itching to do a crazy run of just madness, and just because it has a very good strong lead melody, man, and you can stretch that out. You can definitely do a lot more with it. But I think he kept it safe, kept it short, kept it cute. Obviously, that's going to tie into the replay value of the song. I want to spin the song again right now. So it's definitely not a bad. I can see why they kept it short. I want you to replay the song again. But definitely a good moment. A good moment. What's like this is Benson obviously making noise and making buzz for this is December. So I respect it, man. I respect it.